Hello students, you are connected to your online English class. Today we are going to continue worksheet number 43 and it is related to the topic articles. We have already gone through part A, part B, part C. Part C was having 5 subparts and we have done all of them. Now it's time to go for part D. So let's start it. Here in the following passage, there is one error related to article in some lines, against which a blank is shown. The error has been underlined. Write the correct article in the space provided. Here we are having a passage and there is an error related to article in every line. So we have to find that error of article and replace it with the correct article. So let us start. Here we are having Deepavali is, here A is written is a festival of light. So we are seeing A is underlined. It means article is wrong. Deepavali is the festival of, you will mention the article the here. Deepavali is the festival of lights. As its name suggests, the festival is celebrated by lighting lamps. Because which festival do you relate with lighting lamps? It is Deepavali. So Deepavali is the festival of lights. As its name suggests, the festival is celebrated by lighting lamps. Next is Deepavali is, here the is given, prominent festival of India. अब is Deepavali the only festival है जो इंडिया में मेन है? No, there are so many festivals. So Deepavali is a prominent festival of India. Deepavali इंडिया का एक prominent, एक main festival है. Next is a festival comes after a rains. So the festival comes after the rains. So you will apply the article here the festival comes after the rains, बारिश के बाद आता है. We give, the is given here, the fresh lime wash to our buildings. We give a fresh lime wash to the buildings, Here you will mention the article the, okay, to the buildings. Then a mustard oil lamps destroyed. Class, in this line we are having error in 2 articles. So wash, we give a fresh lime wash to the buildings. We have mentioned the already here. You have seen the buildings. Then the mustard oil lamps. Then again you will apply the article here. Then the mustard oil lamps destroy the insects. Destroy, जो सरसों के तेल के दिए जलाते हैं उससे क्या होता है? इंसेक्ट्स खत्म हो जाते हैं. डिस्ट्रॉय द इंसेक्ट्स एंड क्लीन द एटमॉस्फेयर, और उससे वातावरण क्या हो जाता है? बिल्कुल साफ हो जाता है. सो दिस वाज योर पार्ट डी. नाउ लेट्स मूव फॉर पार्ट ई. हियर ऑल्सो वी आर हैविंग अ पैसेज एंड इन दिस पैसेज वी आर सीइंग स्लैशेस आर गिवन in between the words of the lines, and it means that an article is missing here. We have to find the correct article and we have to write it in the blanks. So let us start with part E. I had seen dash advertisement, an advertisement. Advertisement is starting with the letter A and it is giving a vowelic sound. So an advertisement in a paper, एक पेपर में, in a paper. Next is they offered ₹100 lunch special. Yes, they offered. Now we will apply the article a rupees. They offered a rupees. They offered a ₹100 lunch special. When I went to, जब मैं गया कहाँ पर? When I went to the restaurant. When I went to the restaurant, जब मैं रेस्टोरेंट में गया था, then dash waiter told me. When I went to the restaurant, तब क्या हुआ था वहाँ पर? Then the waiter told me, the waiter, here you will mention the article the waiter told me that द स्कीम वॉज नो लॉन्गर अवेलेबल, कि जो स्कीम थी वो अब अवेलेबल नहीं थी। स्कीम वॉज ओवर, कि जो 100 रुपीज़ में लंच मिल रहा था वो स्कीम दैट इज़ ओवर नाउ, दैट वॉज नो लॉन्गर अवेलेबल। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज वी आर हैविंग पार्ट बी। हियर वी आर हैविंग आई हैव uncle who lives in USA. So up we are seeing that I have an uncle. It is starting with I have an uncle. Next is who lives in the USA. You are seeing that abbreviations are given. Who lives in the USA. Next is he is dash favorite uncle of all of us. So class, we are seeing that he is the favorite uncle of all of us. वो हमारे सबके favorite uncle है. He is the favorite uncle of all of us as he brings gifts for us. Next is dash red car that he bought for me is everyone's favorite. Now we will apply the article here, the red car. Yes class, the red car, जो वो रेड कलर की कार वो मेरे लिए लाए थे, द रेड कार दैट ही ब्रॉट फॉर मी, जो मेरे लिए लाए थे, इज़ एवरीवन्स फेवरेट, वो सबकी पसंदीदा है। डैश रोबोट दैट ही ब्रॉट फॉर माई ब्रदर इज़ हिज फेवरेट टॉय। अब द रोबोट, वो रोबोट जो वो लेकर आए थे, इज इट ओके? हेयर क्लास नोटिस दैट व्हेन यू आर फिलिंग आर्टिकल आफ्टर फुल स्टॉप, then it will have the letter, bigger letter, capital letter will be there. Okay, now it's turn to do part F. Read the paragraph given below using articles wherever a slash is put. Write the article in the space provided. In the similar way we have to go with the paragraph number F. So we are having dash father was holding his little son in his lap. Now a father has holding his little son in his lap. Next is dash crow happened to come there. We will go with a crow. एक कौवा आता है वहाँ पर, a crow happened to come there. फिर dash son asked his father what it was. Now we will apply the article the son. Again we are talking about the son. So द सन, जो बेटा है वो पूछता है अपने फादर से वॉट इट वॉज, कि ये क्या था। डैश फादर रिप्लाइड इट वॉज अ क्रो। अब यहाँ पर फिर से पापा की बात हो रही है, सो द फादर रिप्लाइड इट वॉज अ क्रो। यू विल मैंशन द फादर रिप्लाइड दैट इट वॉज अ क्रो। ओके क्लास, नेक्स्ट इज हिज सन रिपीटेड हिज क्वेश्चन सेवरल टाइम्स। अब बेटा बार बार वो क्वेश्चन को रिपीट करता था। Every time dash father answered lovingly that it was dash crow. Now class, you will mention the father answered. Now हर बार पापा क्या आंसर करते थे, that it was a crow, कि ये एक कौवा है, कौवा था। After several years, कई सालों बाद, one day dash father, the father, now on the next page, the father was in his room. Somebody came for dash son. Somebody came for the son. Next is the father asked who there was. Again you will apply the article the. The father was. The father asked, पापा ने पूछा था, who there was, वहाँ कौन था। The son replied that it was his friend Arun. The son replied. You will mention the article the. Okay, next is Arun and after dash while another friend came. Now in part L you will apply after a while. अब कुछ देर बाद, after a while another friend came, दोबारा कोई दोस्त आया। Again the father asked, फिर से आप अप्लाई करेंगे बेटा। The father asked, पापा ने पूछा था। अगेन अबाउट द विजिटर, अब आप किसी एक विजिटर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना, यू आर स्पेसिफाइंग दैट विजिटर, कि कौन सा विजिटर आया था, कौन मिलने आया था। इट इरिटेटेड द सन, इससे जो सन है ना वो इरिटेटेड हो जाता है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब झल्ला जाता है, परेशान हो जाता है। He told his father to keep quiet and stop talking the same question. वो पापा से कहता है प्लीज़ आप चुप रहिए और सेम क्वेश्चन को बार बार रिपीट मत कीजिए. अगेन एंड अगेन, दोबारा. डैश फादर गॉट डीपली हर्ट. इससे पापा को बहुत ज़्यादा हर्ट होता है. द फादर गॉट डीपली हर्ट. ही स्पोक टू द सन. वो फिर से सन से बात करते हैं. ही स्पोक टू द सन that being a child, now here you will mention the article that being a child, कि एक बच्चा होने के नाते he used to ask, वो क्या पूछते हैं, the same question at least for a dozen times. The same question at least for a dozen times, but he used to answer sweetly. It worked as dash eye opener for his son. It worked as an eye opener for his